Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to be looking at Amazon lockers, and you're going to be coming on a scavenger hunt with me. Feel free to fast forward if you don't want to be a part of the scavenger hunt. Where the fuck is 208? Oh gosh. Really? Oh, what the fuck, dude? You kidding me, right? What? Are you joking? I'm about to throw this fucking package. You gotta be joking, dude. Alright, so again, we're looking for number 208, right? 6021. We're looking for building apartment number 208. That's what it says. It says 208. Okay, now. Let's try to find it. Okay. What? That's a fire door. No wonder. So that's 101. Let's go this way. (202), 201. Look, that's a fire door. Yeah. Oh, can you show me where? It said fire door, so I thought you couldn't go in there. (206) KO. Hold on. Alright guys, that's it. That's the end of the video. If you have any other questions, feel free to comment below and give me a like and subscribe. If you have any questions, put them in the box below and I'll be sure to make a video about it later. Thanks guys. Drive safe.